Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the channel. Three men from the people who lived before us were traveling together. As night came, they looked for a safe place to stay. After some time, they found a cave in a mountain. The three men entered the cave and decided to spend the night there. For a while, everything was peaceful. But suddenly, a huge rock fell from the mountain and rolled towards the entrance of the cave. The rock crashed down and completely blocked the entrance. The three men rushed toward it. They pushed the rock with all their strength. They tried again and again, but the rock would not move. They were trapped. There was no way out. No one knew where they were. No one could hear them, and there was no one nearby who could come and save them. The three men realized that their own strength could not help them. Then one of them said, "We will not be able to escape unless we ask Allah for help by mentioning the good deeds we did sincerely for His sake." The other two agreed. Each man would remember one good deed that he had done only for Allah. Then they would ask Allah to help them because of that good deed. The first man began. He remembered his elderly parents. He always took care of them. He would bring them milk before giving milk to anyone else in his family. One evening he came home later than usual. When he arrived, his parents were already asleep. He had brought their milk with him. His children were hungry. They were crying and asking for food. The man had to make a difficult choice. He could give the milk to his children. His parents were sleeping. They would not even know. But the man refused to give anyone the milk before his parents. So he stood beside them with the bowl of milk in his hands. He waited for them to wake up. His children continued crying around him, but he remained patient. He did not want to disturb his elderly parents. He waited throughout the night. Finally, his parents woke up. He gave them their milk first. Only after they had finished did he give food and drink to his children. Now trapped inside the cave, the man remembered what he had done. He returned to Allah and said, "O Allah, if I did this sincerely for your sake, then please help us and remove the difficulty we are in." Suddenly, the huge rock moved. The three men looked toward the entrance. A small opening had appeared. Light entered the cave. The men became hopeful, but the opening was still too small. They could not get out. They were still trapped. The first man stepped aside. Now it was the second man's turn. The second man remembered something from his past. There had been a time when he had the opportunity to commit a serious sin. He had the chance to do something he deeply desired, but then he was reminded to fear Allah. At that moment, he stopped himself. He turned away from the sin, even though he had the opportunity to continue. Now trapped inside the cave, he remembered what he had done. He turned to Allah and said, "O Allah, if I did this sincerely for your sake, then please help us and remove the difficulty we are in." Once again, the huge rock moved. The opening became larger. More light entered the cave, but it was still not large enough for them to escape. The three men were still trapped. Now it was the third man's turn. The third man remembered a worker who had once worked for him. The worker had completed his work, but before he could collect his payment, he left his wages were left behind. The man could have simply kept the money. The worker was gone. No one was asking for it, but the man did not take the money for himself. Instead, he invested it. Over time, the money grew. The investment became larger and larger. Years later, the worker returned. He came looking for the wages he had left behind. The man said to him, "Everything you see here belongs to you." The worker was surprised. The man explained, "These are your wages. I invested them for you while you were away. All of this wealth came from your money." The worker could hardly believe it, but the man told him to take everything. The worker took all of it. The man kept nothing for himself. He had protected the worker's money and returned everything to him. Now trapped inside the cave, the third man remembered this deed. He returned to Allah and said, "O Allah, if I did this sincerely for your sake, then please help us and remove the difficulty we are in." Then something incredible happened. The huge rock moved again. This time, the opening became wide enough for the three men to escape. Sunlight entered the cave. The three men could finally see the way out. They walked outside. They were free. They had been trapped inside the cave with no way to escape, but Allah had answered their prayers. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ told his companions this story to teach them an important lesson. Do good deeds even when nobody is watching. Take care of your parents. Stay away from sin for the sake of Allah. Be honest and trustworthy with what belongs to other people, because you never know which good deed may one day become a reason for Allah to help you. So, if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more authentic stories